Poisid 2 rühma tantsijate vaieldamatu lemmikasi, mida tantsutunnis teha on erinevad battle'id. Olgu selleks siis 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2 või crew battle'id. Võistluste eel tuli ikka vahel pead vangutada, et mis, jälle kava peal? Poistele omaselt on muidugi trenni õhkkond vaba ning see mõjub mõnusalt tervele tantsukoolile. Nüüd näetegi laval Poisid 2, treener Arturi käe all valminud kava Queenbridge'i tšempionid.
Lifestyle on camera, $100,000 chandelier. They tried to turn me to an animal, but white people think I'm radical. Supermodels think I'm handsome. You might think I'm too aggressive, but really I think I'm too passive. Till I pull like a charge of plastics. Watch it fall and drop, round and go. I said a prayer for my enemies. They could not slow down, was meant for me. Funny how they come around like I can't see through their secret identity. Lately it's all about enemy, subtracting the negative energy. Fuck with the family, turn your ass to a memory. My niggas keep it a secret.
Yeah, to all the killers and the $100 billers.